Today I'm walking you through GoHighLevel after 3 weeks of using it from scratch. What I set up so far, what I'm using daily, the pros and cons, and who I actually think this is for. The goal for this video is to keep it very simple and practical because there is a lot in GoHighLevel. When I started to use GoHighLevel, the plan was to have a simple foundation to build a community where people could come. I didn't have everything together. I wasn't trying to be fancy. I just want a clean, organized, safe space where I can interact with those coming into my community so I could help them. By the way, if you have a cleaning business and you want to double your revenue without being overwhelmed and overworked, and join the 6-Figure House Pro Society. And I needed to be able to help my community all while still working one-on-one with clients and creating content, building brand awareness, and having a life. Now, what I actually use GoHighLevel for in the last 3 weeks boils down to 4 things. And if you want to try HighLevel and see if this is a platform right for you, instead of getting only 14 days free, if you check the link in my description box, you will have an extended 30 days to try all the features and set up your community, email campaigns, funnels, websites, and so much more using this platform. So the first thing I was super excited for was the fact that you can build a community. Yes, I was thinking about another platform to use and build a community until I discovered GoHighLevel, mainly because of the other features that I'm going to talk about. But the first thing I did was create that 6-Figure House Pro Society. It was super easy to do. And of course, what stood out, it was courses and the ability to limit access to those who paid and who did not pay. Now, this feature literally got me so excited. I started telling all my entrepreneur friends. The ability to create funnels, and you get so much more. So 100% that convinced me. The fourth and most exciting feature that I've used over the last 3 weeks was social media automation. I've only explored the tip of the iceberg with this feature. I've automated most of my posts in the 6-Figure House Pro Society for the times when I'm super busy or just not in the mood to show up. I can still have a presence. And as we all know, when you're building a community from scratch, the first members and the interaction is super important because you don't want to have a dead community. Now, keep in mind, I'm telling you, I'm still exploring the platform. The beauty of the software and the beauty of the 30-day free trial is that you can take your time and set up the most important attributes of your business and build upon it. And that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm excited about it. One of the obvious pros is that it's all in one, less chaos. 2, a place to build community and courses in one place, limited access and expanding access for those within the community makes it so much easier. For someone who really values and needs to be consistent with everything going on and the fast pace of the online space, GoHighLevel has helped me to stay consistent even when I don't feel like it, when I'm not around, when I'm dealing with clients and I can't be super present. Having things automated within my business, my softwares and my platform, still being able to communicate and support my clients is a huge thing. One of the best pros of using GoHighLevel. I've been talking about all the features that you can get. The con is that you can get really distracted by all the features. Build out certain areas that is most important. As you get a hang of those areas, you can then add on and layer on different pieces of your business, but don't bite off more than you can chew and become overwhelmed. For me, it was just building a community, and from there, I'll learn more. So definitely try your free trial, and a member of the GoHighLevel team will actually reach out to you and see if there's any support you need on building out your next funnel, your next community, website, or social media post, or anything like that. I believe the HighLevel software is perfect for multiple industries and individuals, coaches, consultants, those who are selling digital products, online entrepreneur. If you want a place where you can deal with your clients and leads and still reach out to them on any given basis at anywhere in the world, then GoHighLevel is perfect for you. As a coach myself and building a brand and a community, having a software that has everything that will help me be the best leader I can and show up consistently, hands down, the best option for coaches, consultants, online entrepreneurs, digital marketers, for sure. And like I said, you don't have to rush everything in 14 days. Use the link in my description box and get an extended free trial of 30 days to explore the software and the features. And let me know how you love it. And don't forget, if you're a cleaning business owner and you want to grow your cleaning business, sales, marketing, and show up as a leader to double your monthly revenue, so check out the 6-Figure House Pro Society and experience the exact community that I use GoHighLevel to build. See you guys in my next video.